the love of my mama, I do this song. Mama, mama, I go get the money. I go buy you with mini. I mean, I'm Mirinda. Mama, mama, go buy you with moto. Carry you go to Yankee. My mama bunny select. Better life I go give you. Better clothes I go buy you. All your tears I go wipe you. My mama, mama. Better life I go give you. Better clothes I go buy you. All your tears I go wipe you. My mama, mama, eh. Mama, mama. See my fine mama. I love my mama. Carry you go Yankee, yeah. Mama, mama. See my fine mama. I love my mama. Where we go jolly, yeah. The way you paid for me, I not be talk. When I've been the sick and needed you never leave me alone. You sell your rappers, mama. You gave me buka, mama. Your bread, my sugar, mama. I go carry go Malaysia. I go fly down to Asia. I go do you annexation. I go package, mama. I go carry go Malaysia.
Okay, so welcome to Fine Mama Pot once again. We have a very beautiful woman in the house. She's Team Afang. And then when you talk about a profession, she's a doctor. So a doctor falling in love with Afang soup and Fufu. Man, this is interesting. So, Mommy, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Yes, so Ma, can the audience meet you?
Please meet me well. My name is Elsie Ifon. Yes, I'm a doctor of the eye and optometrist, and I am Team Afang Soup.
Why are you Team Afang?
Afang is one soup I've enjoyed from childhood. In fact, there's no day I cook soup in my house. One constant soup must be Afang. Why I fell in love with it, I don't know, but I know it's nourishing to my body. Some people say when they take Afang, it gives them a running stomach. It helps them flush the tummy. But it doesn't do that to me, so I'm good with it.
So if you have a running stomach after eating Afang, so please go and check well. It is not this our Afang.
No,
Mom,
not this
I'm
one.
Team Afang too.
Oh,
So
good.
I can defend this Afang anytime. I can defend it anywhere. And then the perfect combo with Fufu. Yeah.
Fufu, we know Fufu is 6 to 6.
6 to 6. That's what it is.
6 to 6.
No shaking.
Don't go beyond 6 at your own risk. Before 6, go for it. It gives you enough energy for the day.
Yeah, exactly.
And this is home.
Exactly.
Those who are away are asking, please send us Fufu. My daughter comes home and she's on the plane. Please buy Fufu for me. On the road, she's buying Fufu. Fufu is good for us.
Mommy, this soup is well garnished, as you can see. Everything is there. Mommy, there is a secret to this soup. One of the secrets is that women use it, especially if they have this husband that loves Afang soup. After preparing it this way that Fine Mama Pot just did, they will now make a request. Mommy, please confirm it. Is it true or false?
This particular Afang soup has a lot of hold up.
Okay.
Each ball of Fufu comes with something.
Exactly.
And so after presenting such a meal, what do? Make your request. I can assure you it will be granted. This one, hold up there inside. Each ball goes with something.
Good. And that request must be granted.
Oh, definitely.
So
after eating this.
Good. So, dear husbands, once your wife presents you this kind of Afang soup with too many obstacles,
Yes.
please adjust yourself. Definitely, she will be up to something.
She could also be appreciating you for what you have done.
Yes,
It's not all the
for
time
what you have
had
done. That means you must have done something.
It's not all the time we're coming to make requests.
Yeah.
Sometimes we come to say
Thank you for a job well done.
Yeah.
Is that how you do something for you to have a thank you, or you wait for her to present this and then make a request? Thank you, Mom, for being
Thank you
part of
very
this
much.
show.
Thank you for inviting me to share in this delicious meal. This is real delicacy.
We appreciate you.
You can't come to Akwa Ibom without having a taste of our delicious Afang soup.
There is nowhere. There is no way. I've actually had friends that come in from outside states, and then the moment they're here, they said, "Oh, the first thing they want to do, either they want to do a Afang soup, or they want to do a Koko, or they want to do Edikang Ikong or Atama soup." Man, there is so much for you to enjoy when you visit home. So come to Find Mama Port. We will deliver this.
And we give it to you in natural environment.
Natural environment.
I saw a keg of
Palm wine.
Palm wine.
Oh, yeah.
So if you take that with palm wine, that's vitamin A, balanced diet.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're hearing that from the right source. Mom, thank you for being part of the show. And you to our audience there, keep watching Find Mama Pot. Follow us on all social media handles, and then make sure you don't miss any of our local recipes. It is loaded. Thank you. See you some other time.
Thank you very much.